There is an urgent need to replace fossil-based raw materials with renewable bio-based alternatives. Foam forming is one of the most potential technologies for manufacturing bio-based products. It improves the material and energy efficiency of the process, expands the range of usable raw materials, and enables the production of new, value-added and high-performing structures. VTT offers piloting platforms for foam-based material development and scale-up. These platforms enable the development of novel recyclable and sustainable materials for packaging and construction, lightweight boards, wipes, filters, and hygiene products with only small modifications needed to current production lines. Will this technology and VTT's expertise be your avenue to bio-based material innovations?